Hey guys, kamusta? It's 2nd of May and katapos ng Labor Day. We're out with the family para sa una naming summer vacation, the family side ko with the rest of the family, my wife and my kids and the whole gang. No, found this place called Buklod. It's situated in Alfonso, Cavite. I'll show you the place. Come on. Sabing time. Pizza! Ang init ngayon. But like what I said, ang ganda ng lugar. Even the garage, you know, malaking garage niya. So hindi nyo problema ang parking kung yun ang iniisip nyo. That's one good thing about this place. Yeah. Let's get inside and check the place out, yeah? So there's this small gate here. At pagpasok mo, ayun na agad. Ha? Sarap muna natin. Anyway, so this is the place. You'll be surprised. Ang ganda ng lugar, man. Pagpasok mo pa lang, naandito na agad ang pool. Tingnan nyo yung lugar. Ang ganda. So they have this really big pool. See? So sa side na yon, mga villas yon. Rooms, I think good for 6 or 8. That room there is good for 6, I think. That's a common place. Of course, I'll tour you later. And here are the gang. Say hi, people. Walang hi. Everyone's busy. Actually, 2 p.m. yung check-in time. The usual naman, alas 12 yung out namin kinabukasan. No? I'll give you a tour of the whole place, including the room. But look at the place, man. It's really, really nice. Ay, mamaya, tatalon tayo dyan. So, that's the pool gang eating lunch. Ha? Say hi, people. Mang. Ito ang sponsor namin, ng aming magandang lola. This is actually a common place. So if you can see, we have a good couch here, a TV, and a table to dine ng sama-sama. Hindi lang yan. Meron pa rin doon kaming meron dining table pa rin doon sa dulo. Sobrang daming spots na pwede mong puntahan. But let me show you the room, alright? So there's the first room here. I think this is a room good for 6. At dito kami ng aking wife at ng aking dad. And there's my kid playing already. The room is really nice, no? So, hi, Kuya. Hi. What are you doing? Alright. You okay there? Lahat ng room ay air-conditioned. Hindi mainit. Sobrang lamig ng mga kwarto. So, they got these cabinets here. I don't know, for stuff. There's 2 double beds. Each room has their own bathroom. I'll show you this one. So look at the banyo. It's clean and it's nice and mabango. Hindi siya awitahe. That's basically it for the first room. Meron sila mga drawers dito. Medyo old style drawers, but yeah, it's functional. So they got the lamps here, some decorations there, my kid playing there. Hi. May blankets then, by the way. So that's the first room. Let's end to the next room. Yeah. Tatawid lang tayo from this first room to the second room. That's the second room. We also got a fridge here. Kompleto sa Ricardo's. They also have this oven. If trip nyo mag-oven ng pamilya mo, microwave and toaster, clean sink, stove, and you got 3 gallon of water. So we also got this island counter here, which is pretty nice touch. Dito mo lagay mga pagkain mo or what. And ito yung kapatid ko. Hello, tol. So they also got these pans here. Cooking wares and everything. Kain lang sila. Anyway, into the second room. And look at this second room, no? I think this is the master's bedroom. So you got the mirror there. Decorations again. I don't know what they call those, but rotanada yan. Even the bed has a nice touch. And what are these? Meron ka rin TV dito. I like the TV rack as well. This is the master's bedroom. So ito yung bed. You can see here. And across here is like a place where you can, I don't know, put your stuff in. Heard from my wife that the bathroom here is really nice kasi may bathtub siya. At sinasabi ko na nga ba, ang ganda niya. The banyo has a bathtub na may shower. And there's the bathtub. It's an overlooking of a I think that's a bonfire place there, my wife said. Look at this. It's ganda, no? Ganda. So that's the master's bedroom. Let's check out the room across the main hall. Split type din siya. Ang lamig, sobrang lamig. So hindi kami initan dito. Right now, I think it's 44 degrees Celsius outside. Check out the room. Sa kabila. Hi, AJ. Hi. Hailey. Everyone's so busy. I'll show you everyone later, but I'll show you the room first. Say hi to the vlog. Yuna. Hi. So ikot lang ako. And if you can see, there's a shower here. I think it's for a shower before you go to the pool. No? So let's walk. Init man, sobrang init sa Pilipinas. Bakit ba ganito? Anyway, so doon tayo galing. Can you see it? Ang laki ng place doon, ang ganda. So ayan, punta tayo sa third room. Oh, meron pa siyang duyan dyan, man. This is the third room. Let's go in. Pasilip lang. Kasi allocate na namin yung rooms. No? So yun naman talaga yung importante sa isang outing na maraming tao kasama. I mean, maraming kayong family members na kasama. So everyone needs to have a comfortable bed. Kasi at end of the day, kahit nag-inuman kayo at sabihin mo na lasing naman yan, kahit saan na lang pwede. Siyempre, as much as possible, gusto mo komportable lahat, diba? The place, ang dami niyang beds. Na-amaze ako kasi sobrang comfortable na magiging tulog namin. Anyway, so here's the third room. So, meron siyang coffee table on the side. And as you can see, there's a bunk bed here. Eto, okay na rin to. Okay na okay to. I think my titas and my cousins are staying here. So, isang buong pamilya sila. Basically, it can cater 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sa ilalim. So, it's amazing. It's nice. You see, it's a blackout blinds here. So, sa umaga, yun nga lang, gigisingin kayo dun. Pero sa umaga, it's not that sunny or bright. No, so pag tulog ka, gising ka sa umaga. Hindi maliwanag. Anyway, here's the banyo. Let's see. Alright, as expected. Maganda lahat. Malinis at maganda ang mga banyo. I think there's a heater there, so walang maliligo ng malamig na tubig. So, that's the third room. Everything is pretty straightforward. Functional and yung bonus lang talaga. Ang ganda ng lugar. Yun, mukhang mag-enjoy kami dito. I'm just checking out all the rooms and there's my dad! Hey, ang ginagawa niyan dyan? Nakaw! Kumusta kang kumain? Love you. Ayun na naman si Tandang Bokyo, no? Nandinigarilo na naman katapos magkain. So this is the spot. This is the last and fourth room, I think. Sorry, ginulo na siya ng mga bata. Guys, ano tawag dito sa bintahan na to? Pucha, nakalimutan ko, gago. This is the fourth and last room. I think this is a queen bed, no? This is a queen bed, if I'm not mistaken. Or, yeah, it is. Yeah, so dalawang queen bed. And under the queen beds, meron pa tayong mga single pull-out beds. Banyo is, I'm pretty sure is the same. Yes, of course. Yes, it is the same. Hindi siya amoy tae at may heater din. Thank the Lord for the heater. Parang may naligo na ba't yun? That's it for the room tour and I've shown you the place already. Ayan, mga busog na. Ha? Hey, Dad!
Okay.
Okay na. Uy! Bumuga ng dragon! Alright, so I've shown you the room and here's the place. Yan na, ang buong lugar. So, oh, by the way, ayun pa, merong veranda sa master's bedroom doon. So, see that? Ang ganda, no? Kung trip mo mag-sunbathing, we have here some sunbathing chairs, if that's what you call it. Here's another hub. Not hub, it's a common place as well. Outdoor common place, kasi common place din yun eh. Outdoor din siya. Pero eto, mas outdoor to. See? So ayun, naandito ang table for mahjong. So I think this is where most of the eating happens. No? Kasi doon feeling ko, mas small amount of eating capacity. No? But ito, nandito yung karaoke, speaker and the mic and the YouTube. Bahala ka na, pwede mo na i-mix and mix yan. Tapos, they do have a chest freezer. Nakilagay na kami ng ice, hindi ko alam, pero may bangus doon. Uy, mukhang naiwan to, sa caretaker siguro. Pretty straightforward. That's it. Anyway, there's also a dirty kitchen here. Pwede magluto dito. Parang wala lang kalan kasi parang nasa kabila yung stove. But yeah, that's it for the place. We're just waiting for my one more tito and tita. Hey, ate.
Welcome back!
I'll show you one last part of the area. It's there's a bonfire, no? So hindi ko rin siya nakita na una. But what? Wala. Nakoy. May commercial, may nag-deliver ka na namin sa amin. But anyway, so pababa dito, I think there's a really big bonfire place on the side. Let's see. Look at this spot here. What? May bilyaran sa ilalim. That's a bonfire place. Pretty nice. Tingnan mo naman. Nauna na si Sam at si DJ dito. Pucha, may hidden bilyaran pala. Sige nga. Aba, alis na ako. Di ako marunong magbilyar. Magaling to. So ayun, pretty much it. You know, my wife's waiting for me to eat lunch with her. Kain muna kami. I'll be back in a bit. Alright, so it's currently 4:45 in the afternoon and we're just eating merienda. Nag-prepare si Mamang, my grandmother, ng tacos. It's really good, man. Thank you. And yun, lahat kumakain and enjoying swimming with the kids and everyone else. And having fun. That's it. Kung merong kids corner sa right side, ito ang mga seniors corner. It's a beautiful wife. Antok lang lagi as usual, pero kumain siya ng mga 6 na tacos. Can't blame her. 6 lang. 6 ang kinain niya. Wala siyang lunch pero binanata niya ng malupit yung tacos. Lupit! Merong ano, di ko alam kung kasama sa service ng resort to, pero puta, nag-aalok ng mango shake! Nag-aalok ng mango shake! Hoy! Dito buron!
Baka naman, baka na lang kuya.
Wala. Ang lusog mo na eh, okay na. Malusog ka na. Antaray! Shake ni Ninang Lisa! Yeah, more! Malusog ka na! Malusog ka na eh! So, if you guys are wondering bakit bigla akong namayat, no? At ang taba niya, parang hindi lahat ng kinakain ko, binigay ko na sa kanya. No, it's because I was diagnosed with diabetes last January. No? So I'm really trying so hard to choose what I eat, be healthy and be physically active. Always choose to be healthy for your family. Yun, nabutan ng antok yung matanda. Nag-siesta time si Bokyo. So, we're currently preparing for dinner. Around 6:30, we'll start the ihaw ng liempo. Liempo yung ulam, tsaka sinigang na baboy. Baboy combo! We'll ihaw the liempo and hot dog later for the kids. And then, sinigang. And right now, may gatang mais na niluto ni Sininang Maori. I'll show you. Ito, no, so dapat, mamaya pa yung gatang mais. Alam ko yung plano nila, dapat madaling araw pa. I mean, not madaling araw. After dinner, merienda. But, niluto na sa Ninang kasi sabi niya, yung iba daw gusto mas malamig yung gatang mais. Ewan ko. Feeling ko, mas masarap nga siya. This is it! Look! Thank you, Ninang Maori! See? Look at that. Well, pinapalamig ko lang siya at mamaya ay sasandok ako. Kasi masarap at mabango. Amoy gatang-gata na mais. Alright, so dito, yung common area ng isa. At sa likod niya, ayun ang ihawan. Di ba? Kahit 3 kilo, 4 na kilo lutuin mo dyan, sabay-sabay eh. So yun, mamaya, we're gonna start the grill. And yeah, Dad ordered pizza for the kids and everyone else. So, more meriendas. Walang diet ngayon. Isa pa pizza! Sana 10. Ba't naman dyan kayo?
Wedding planning kami o kamagulo.
Oh, wow. Wedding planning. Amang! Mamang, wala daw ako alam kung di mag-thank you kasi ayaw ko daw bumunot. Right. Hey! Oh! Okay. What's that? Alright, so everyone's prepping for dinner. Eating gatang mais. Ang sarap, boy! Here's the gang preparing. Ano ang ating niluluto? Mga mams? Mango, mang?
Matikas? Matikas?
Hilaw, mang! Hilaw!
Para
The
ano?
wifey is... Ano yan? Anong recipe ba yan?
Slice na linggo.
Mukhang masarap na luto yun ah.
Espesyal.
Mango Graham ba yan? Yun ang gagamitin?
Mango with bagoong.
Ayun, sakto.
Diba? Ang hirap gawin.
Sabi nyo kasi, maasin ka kami. Sabi nyo mangga, gusto nyo ilaw. Oo nga, mangga. Ay, ito.
Sino ang paswerteng makakakain yan? Pwede naman natin ano to, mahal. I-mix dyan. Wala na yung mga.
Ano, matamis ba yung mangga, Bang? Hiwi eh. Saan ba galing yan?
Ano ba? Sumat ka ba ng gin?
Alright, it's currently 6:15 at the moment PM. Everyone's busy cooking, preparing stuff for dinner. So maya we'll start the ihaw. It's gonna be a long night, I guess. Mamaya inuman. I'm here at the bonfire spot. Hindi ko naman pwede mag-bonfire mamaya, pero sana pwede. We'll ask the caretaker, Frederick, if I'm not mistaken. He's a cool guy. Sana pwede mag-bonfire para pwede s'mores yung mga bata. No? We'll see. At nandito ba din ang Team Talo? Naka 132 na mangga na sila, guys.
Hindi pa rin kami regular.
Eto na ang mga ihaw, boys! Ito na pinaka-crucial na pagpapabaga. Dalawang engineer pa yan, nagpapabaga. Paano ba yan, formula? Dami na! Patagalin, meron akong 80 subscribers ngayon. Si Noel na yung pinaka-80. Kinulang kami sa bigas. Ang lakas sa kumain nito. Pero yun nga. Yun. Sobrang init. Gusto ko na maligo mag-swimming. Anyway, we're done with the dinner time. Busog. Busog na naman. It was a hearty meal. We're just lazing out for the rest of the night. My kids are already in the room. Pahinga na. Mukhang napagod. But the kids, I can see it from there. I can see it from there. Naliligo pa. But yun, I guess, konting inom na lang, kwentuhan, and savor the night. Mga manginginom, bakit nakahiga? Halika na!
Gutom na ulit. Busog na busog pa nga eh.
Wala. Nakita na yung kanyang
Bakit di pa nagiinom?
Mamaya.
Ha?
Mamaya.
Inom! Ba't di pa nagiinom? Wala pa eh. The lovebirds. Tubig lang nang mag-Alfonso tayo. Ano? True faith. True faith yun. Nang lamig nang! Pag-ibig mo, wala nang iba. Pag-ibig mo.
Ikaw, Jay!
Yan na! Fly away! Sky like pigeon fly! Ang lamig naman, boy! Ang lamig! Ang lamig ng boses! Ang lamig!
A few moments later.
Nako, paborito niya nang!
Kaya't kaming dalaway minom ng beer. Inangat niya ang umagang sabi niya sa cheers! Hindi ko lang alam may mayroon siyang hinilagay. Ako'y biglang nabiglang
Alupet!
wala ng aking malay. Ako'y magising, aking napansin. Pangalan ng motel ay
Andito! In!
kaya sabi ko naku, isbit na. Pag nagpupo ng bourbon ko,
Yun. So, good morning. It's the next day and we're gonna check out in a few hours. And just enjoying the last couple of hours. Kumain na rin ng breakfast and kids are just enjoying. See you sa next vlog.